All right, so good morning, everybody. This is your teacher, Mr. Kervin Kamantoy, and welcome to our very first online lesson or session for ICT 101. So, our lesson for today will be a quick review or short review about Microsoft PowerPoint, which is a part of Microsoft Office. And Microsoft PowerPoint, of course, is used to make presentations or slides that is mostly uh, applicable to you students when you are doing some reports, doing some projects, doing some even slides or presentations that you need to exhibit within your class. So without further ado, let's begin. All right, so again, good morning. I am here with my desktop open. So first things first, we need to open our application. We are going to navigate here over your mouse over your search bar on your Windows or Macintosh search settings. Just type in PowerPoint or PO. Most of the time, we're going to show first. So you see this icon that has a letter P and painted with red and white on it. Just click on it. I already opened my Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. There we go. And you will be navigated into the main menu of your presentation. So on the main menu, again, this is just a review. You can select themes or designs. Okay, designs or themes of your presentation that you want to have or use. Let's say we're gonna use maybe this one. I love dogs. This is a template, so you need an internet. You need to be connected to the internet to use this template. So here we go. So now we have here our slide pane. So before we start, let's first have a quick recap about the basic parts of our Microsoft Word. Let's move our video here. So first things first, we have here the title bar. Here we go. Title bar composed of save, undo, redo, and preview window or start from the beginning of your slides. Then we have here the most important part of your Microsoft Word, which is the ribbon tab. Okay, this is what you call ribbon tab, wherein you can select any ribbon keys or articles or keys that will show you different functions on it that can be used on your Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word, sorry, that can be used on your Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, so what did you do? I just clicked the design and change it into this. Okay, the layout. See, you can change the layout of your applications or slide pane. So I'm clicking here on the design. So you can select the design of your theme background within your Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, so I'm just gonna use the plain one, the plain thingy. Maybe this one, because I don't want to put so many colors on it. Here we go. And we have here the slide pane. So slide pane, this is what you call slide pane, wherein it shows you the number of slides. Let's do this one. Oops. Sir, how did you delete that one? I just click on the slides and click delete. Hit delete, press delete. Okay. So we have here a single slide within our slide pane. Then we have here our slide panel, or I call it slide workspace. You can call it what you want. Okay. Then that's once you press here on your workspace, you see this will be the title of your first slide. So I will gonna put it welcome. All right, welcome 2022. Oops. Wrong spelling. Okay, let's put it on the middle. How are we going to put it on the middle? Let's highlight everything. Point. Again, for those who doesn't know how to highlight an object within your content, just hover your mouse over the object or content that you want to highlight or select. Press left face or left click of your mouse. There we go, and drag it down. Okay, let's go back to our home tab. Home tab, wherein you can find your most basic and commonly used groups and functions, which is the text. So I'm going to put it on the center. Click here on the paragraph center, and let's resize our text box. Oops. There we go. Move it here. And again, let's have a little style on it. Let's resize this into 16 because it should be the biggest, because this is your header or the title of your page. Sir, how did you do that? This is what you call undo. What do you mean by undo? This one, it will gonna undo your previous or last movement for your current movement or action. Undo. And if you want to redo, you can just press this one. Okay, Control Z or Control Z for the shortcut. Then let's change. Select the letter E. Change the color into green. Oops, not that one. This one. Let's select the letter O into purple. They say the color of the year is the purple, so I'm going to select purple. Oops, I think it's not that good because it can't be seen here. Then let's change our 0 and 2 into black. There we go. Welcome 2022. I think you already know what we are going to create within this project. Of course, at the end of this class or at the end of this lesson, I want you to create or hopefully I am hoping that you have created your own file project that you will be submitting on your Google Classroom. Okay, so just follow my lead. You can create your own. You can pause the video if you want, and if you're getting confused and you don't know what happened, or you can cope up with the lesson, just pause the video, rewind the video, and look for the frames that you are getting confused on. Okay, so let's return here. This will be our title, Welcome 2022. Then let's put here on the another text box, my New Year's resolution. There you go. Hopefully I'm correct with my spelling. I'm really, not that good at spelling. Let's change this into maybe this one. There we go. Welcome 2022, my New Year's resolution. And let's add another one. Let's click this. Let's click the text box. Once you hover your mouse over the object, you see that my mouse changes from a mouse icon or cursor icon into a cursor icon. Okay, by the way, we have here zoom in, zoom out on your Windows PowerPoint presentation. Zoom in for the plus, zoom out for the minus. I just want it to be on a 90%. Okay, 90% zoom in my presentation. Okay, next is I'm going to copy and paste this one out. So how are we going to copy and paste again? Let's hover our mouse. Once you see our mouse changes from a normal mouse into a cursor, meaning to say you're selecting something here that is hidden. Click. Oops, I selected the video, the background, sorry. Click here. Right click, copy, and paste. Oops. Again. Right click, copy, and paste. There we go. Let's move it out here. And let's change this one into, oops, sorry about that, because we have so many objects already in our PowerPoint presentation. That's why we can't determine which is our, which we are pressing. By Cloud Start. Go. Let's change this into what? Charan! Alas! Plain and simple. Wait, why do we have something here? What's this? Oh, I see. It looks like a flooring of a stage. Okay, so next up is adding of effects. Sir, why do we need to add an effects? Because as you can see, if you play our PowerPoint presentation, start from beginning. Let's press play here. Ta-da! It will gonna show you the default mode that has no effects, no styles on it, no select on it, while you are previewing your project. So of course, what I want to do is I want to add a special effect within my file. Wait, I want to see the whole face of my dog. I'm going to change again my design. I think it's better be if we're gonna be this one. No. Ah, this one. Oh no! Everything has been changed. Oops. Wait up. As you can see, we have here a camel case. Let's copy or select everything here. Let's go back to home and let's select our toggle case or change case. Let's change this into uppercase. Point. Because this is your next sub header, so it should be bigger than your name. 20. And this one, I don't like it. I apologize. Let's just make this quick. Red and green. Okay. I think too much. I think that's not red. It's yellow. Oh, orange. Let's put the blue on it. There we go. So let's add a effect. So how are we going to add an effect? Click first or select first the object. When I'm talking about object, this is the content of your file. Okay. So click on object, go to animations, ribbon tab, and it will gonna show you some animations effect that might you want to use on your selected object. So let's say I want to use. I don't want that one. I want it to be simple. Okay, that one. So welcome 2021. I think that's zoom in. So I'm going to add another this one. Zoom. And another this one. As you can see, I am selecting each object from my PowerPoint presentation and putting a effect, animations effect within my slides. And when I press play, click, of course, welcome 2021, my New Year's resolution by Cloud Stripe. Okay. You can also add the transition. When we're talking about transition, this is the effect of your whole slide. Actually, it's just showing you the effect of your background slide. Okay, so effect in your slide. So let's make it. I want it to be. No, I don't want that one. Random bars. Let's just make it as random bars. And once I press play, it will gonna show you a random bar. Transition effect, my background image. Then when I press again, we're gonna show you my first animation, second animation, third animation. Okay, welcome 2022, my New Year's resolution. Okay, plain and simple. So hopefully, and I am expecting everybody who's watching this video completed this, very simple task I'm discussing. All right, then after this, sir, I'm finished with my first slide. What's next? So how to add a new slide. So let's go back here to home. Actually, it doesn't matter where you want to make your ribbon tab stay on your option. I just want it to be stayed always here on my home because the home tab is the most commonly used. So I'm going to right click on my slide and create new slide. Ta-da! Sir, what happened to the dog? Because the dog only serves as your background image, and I created a new design out here. That's why the dog is missing. Okay, and if I'm going to remove my design, this is the theme of the dog, and as you can see, the theme of the dog is a little, not good. That's why I selected this one out. Okay, let's change this into purple because they say this is the color of the year. Is this purple or pink? Sorry about that, I'm colorblind. Okay. Next is I'm going to insert an image. Sir, how are we going to insert an image? So as you can see, we have here two text box. You can either click this one, online pictures. Click online pictures, means you're going to search something through online. And we're gonna navigate you into a search engine. I'm going to use Bing. Hey, there we go. Oops, it's lagging. And I'm going to type in fireworks. Wait. Let's do it again. Again, click here, hover your mouse over the second text box. Click here on the online pictures, then the second row, second column. click online pictures and type in fireworks. Fireworks. And I'm going to insert a fireworks here because it's 2012. I'll just select this one out. And voila! Now we have selected or inserted an image. And as you can see, let's zoom it in. We have here some text within our image. Actually, this is a touch or group text box within your image. You can easily remove this just by clicking on the text box and click backspace. Go, plain simple. Then let's resize, zoom in, zoom out. Sir, how did you zoom in and zoom out without pressing the plus and the minus? Just press Control on your keyboard and hover or click the mouse scroll going forward and going backward, okay? While holding and pressing the Control button on your keyboard. There we go. Zoom in, zoom out, zoom in. Then let's resize our image like this one because I want to insert one more picture. As you can see, we don't have any more text box. Don't worry about it. We just go to Insert tab, click Picture, Online Pictures. Again, Insert tab, Pictures, Online Pictures. And let's search again, maybe 2022. Let's check it out. Oh, FIFA World Cup 2022 is today. This year, huh? Also Beijing. I know Beijing Winter Olympics. Let's click it out. I'm just selecting random images. It's up to you what kind of image you want to use. Okay. So the Qatar is too big. We can resize it like this. Oh, by the way, what? I just click over the image and it will gonna show you the selection tab or adjustment points. I call it adjustment points. Hover your mouse over the adjustment points, the circle one, and it will gonna change your mouse icon. Zoom it in. Oops. Oh, this is why I don't zoom so much, because it makes you go to the next slide. See the mouse? This is what I hate. Okay, move your mouse over the adjustment points, and once you can see our mouse is changing from one-headed mouse to two-headed mouse. Well, one-headed mouse to two-headed mouse. Or what's that? Okay, then let's move out our background. Sorry, our image. There we go. See? Now we have 3 images here in our slide. I think it's better if we're going to move it out like this. No? As you can see, did you notice I only move my selection or adjustment point from the edges of the image? Why? Because so that the resolution of your image will be equivalent, will still retain within your illustration. Because as you can see, once I adjust my image from the middle left or middle right adjustment points, and voila, look, the video or the image is not that good. The quality of the image is, diminishing. And let's change this as our background image. Send back. Send backward. Send back. There we go. Sir, how did you do that? How did you do that? As you can see, I just resized my image. Let's resize it into this. We can't see anything within our illustration. Now, how are we going? We want to make sure that our text box where we want to insert our text will be visible here on our image. It's very simple. You're just going to click on the image. Go to picture format. Sir, I can't find the picture format. Again, and again. Actually, this is what's happening in our class. Click on the image. Look here on our ribbon tab. We have here View Help Acrobat. Just click here on the Acrobat on the image. It will gonna show you an additional ribbon tab, which is picture format. Go to picture format, send backward, and send to back. Toink! Ta-da! Now we can see our text box, and we can now type, here on our image. Okay, what's this? Let's this one. Click, 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 click. I think it comes from our image. Then I think it's better if we're going to make this our background. See, I resize my image from adjusting my points from the edges of my image. Then if I were gonna adjust here in the middle, look what will gonna happen. See, the guitar, it's not, the quality of the text has been stretched all throughout the image. So I don't prefer this. I'm just showing you the difference. But since we're going to use the guitar image as our whole background image, what to do? What to do, yan? Okay, I'm going to put it here. So I'm going to type my New Year's. Oops. Let's press this one out. Press this one. Picture format. Send to back. Back, 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 back. And let's move. There we go. Let's move our, our text here. So I'm going to type my New Year's, my new self. Okay. There we go. And now we're just gonna copy and paste. Right click, copy, and paste it here. Put it here. So what are we talking about our new self? I think it's better to remove this one now. There we go. Because I can see my text. So New Year's resolution. When we're talking about New Year's resolution, it is the thing that you want to, to change for the better. Okay, for the better, not for the worse. Okay, for the better, for yourself. Okay. So my new self. This is my title. Let's insert another picture because I want to have a representation of myself. Oh, last 5 minutes. Let's make this quick. Cloud, Stripe, clip art. This is Cloud Stripe. Cloud Stripe is character from the Final Fantasy. I don't know if you have played this on the PlayStation, but there we go. This one. Yes, let's use this one. Actually, this is the original. This is what Cloud Stripe looks like from the PlayStation 1. I played this in PlayStation 1. Let's click this, delete. Not this one, not this ugly, not this kind of image, but a better, better version. But looks like this. Polygon type. Yeah, polygon type image. Okay, so next is we're going to create a list because this is a new self. Say we're going to make a list of what we want to change in ourselves. So to create a list, oops, sir, what happened? I can't see my text box. Don't worry. Again, just press undo, and voila, everything will go back to normal. Don't panic button. If you made a mistake, again, if you have made a mistake and you don't know what to do, you don't know how to do it again, return it back. Just click, come on man, just click this one. Click undo, Control Z, okay? Don't panic. My new self, what do I want to change for myself? Let's make it as a bullets. Oops, this one, sorry. Bullets are used in creating a list or creating an order of a list within your content. So first things first, I am going to exercise more. There we go. / change my lifestyle. Here in Dubai, we always go out. Every time we are with our friends, families, we always go out, eat dinner or lunch outside in the restaurant, yada yada. I always eat unhealthy food. So I would like to, change my lifestyle, exercise more, and have some, healthy diet for myself. Okay. To reduce the body fat. Okay. Next, I want to be. What do I want to change for myself? I want to improve more. Be better. No. I want to be better human better person, better human, better person. Okay? I want to help more people. I want to, you know, I want to try my best to be a better person, be a better, have a better career, and be a better teacher, and be a better, you know, model for the next generation. So this is what I'm promising to myself. I will gonna reduce, you know, some not so good things that I'm showing within my peers. Okay. By the way, let's change the colors. Why are we using this one? Let's use black only. Okay. Lastly, improve my programming skills. There you go. Because I love to program, I love to code. That's why I want to improve my programming skills. So hopefully you have typed or created at least three New Year's resolution for yourself. Okay. Then after this, of course, we are going to have a transitions. Oops, last 5 minutes. Let's put the transition. Since I used the random bars on the first slide, I'm going to use a different one on the second slide. Maybe what's this? Checkboard. There we go. So I'm going to use the checkboard. Then of course I want to have an animation within my image. Let's have an animation here. What's that? No. No. Wait, no. Maybe random bars. There we go. I want all of my image to be a random bars. So click, 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 click. Random bars. There we go. Let's play it out. What we're gonna look like. Click, click, press, 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 press. Oops. Sir, why is your text already inside or available within your text? Because we didn't put any animations yet. Wait. Okay, don't freak out, man. Okay. Next is, as you can see, we have here numbers 1, 2, 2, and 3. I want this to be 3. This one. You see this? This is the sequencing of events. Wow, sequencing of events. This is the sequence of your animations. Okay. So I want this to be the third one. So I want this, since I used already the zoom in on my first slide in the text, I'm still going to use this one. You thought I'm going to use a different one. No. Next is this one. Because I already used it on my text, I want it to be, you know, little identical or little formal. And lastly, of course, my picture. Let this one out. No, not that one. That is for the exit. As you can see, we have here entrance, emphasis or exit. What I'm adding is the green one is only for the entrance. You can add for the exit, but I don't do it more often because it will take a lot of time for you to press the slides. But you can. Okay, you can. Just experiment it within your on your own, and once you're finished, submit it on the Google Classroom. Okay. Then maybe a star. What's this? No, not that one. I don't like that one. No, not this. Totin. No. Swivel. What's this? Okay, let's use that one. Okay, and I think I'm done. Let's play it out. Oh, sorry about that. Battery low. Come on, man. Let's press play. Welcome to 2020. Wait, why did it show my random bars transition? Wait. Home. Click. Transitions from the bars. Okay. Press play. There we go. Random bars. Actually, you can use your mouse to go to the next effects or animation, or you can use your arrow keys. Next, I'm using my arrow keys. Right key, left keys to go back, right keys to go left, to go forward. Welcome 2022, my New Year's resolution by Clouds Right. Next transition. Again, when we're talking about transition, the effect. Actually, it's an effect. Animation go between the first slide and the second slide. Okay. Then we have here my animation fireworks, my animation of FIFA World Cup in Beijing. Okay. Then my new solve, exercise, and voila. Okay. So this ends our session. So hopefully you have learned something new, a thing or two from our lesson. Creating a quiz assignment in your Google Classroom and submit the file that you have created while watching this video through that thread. Okay? So this ends our session for today. Always remember, never forget, laging tandaan. Wear your mask all the time. Always pray, okay? And stay healthy. Listen to your parents, okay? Listen to your parents. And respect anyone, respect everybody. They deserve it. Everybody deserves everybody's respect. And sayonara, a peace, salute, and bye-bye.